And only you need to do is thin coat. Unless you're using a 3D crystal. And no wet top coat.
You guys never know. There's always different audience for OnlyFans.
Can you close it? I might drop this thing. China, I am saving it for you. Do not worry. This one is really cool though. If you want more pink, add more pink. I just show you really easy, simple concept. You want more pink, add more pink. You want more green, add more green. However you would like, and you will never go wrong. Here's a tip and trick. Here's a key. Just use a little fusioning go a long way. Either you using colors or you using a crystal clear. So then you can able to get so many different look of the background. So if you're doing your clients on your nails, so keep in mind the fusioning is not going to be identical on every single nails unless you try. I don't know if it's going to be really like exactly the same ones every single one you do, but for sure that each of them will give a really unique look for you. So I'm going to do some fruit here. It's really cool. So Dom is just make me really curious of the sword, because I have my dressing is on this side, and if you have the dressing on the salads. So now I'm going to do a homework tonight. So if you see me in the middle of the night and comment on all of your pictures, don't be surprised because I'm studying. Can you get me another tray? I'm so happy I have Hugh help me today. This neon crystal is so fun to work with. I am so happy every time I'm working with this. And I have a mixed one. Well, I have this individual one and I mix them. But also there's option for you to choose a mixed one as well. And I am going to work along with my veins. A lot of you don't like to color the veins, and you do not have to do this. But if you want to, I don't think it's cover the veins, just on my own opinion, because it get the great backgrounds. It's like a kind of marble. So you still see, even though you cover the background, you still see that where your veins run through. That's what I think. But if you just imagine that you don't have yours fusioning on it, it's probably is gonna be plain. It doesn't look like colorful like this. I'm hunting for the smaller pink. And if you want more colors, add it more on.
Yeah, Nick, I think she rather take a little break. Some reason she can't see any coming.
I'm gonna do some beads on. You can add more fruit on it. Is that cute with the fruit though? And then the fruit will stay remaining until you are finished with your smoothie. Just kidding, it's gonna stay there. Enjoying it. Looks so cute. You always see crystal, now you see that, the fruit tone. I think I like the flight, like a slide of fruit like that. Dom, I'm gonna be honest. Now I cannot think of anything else beside that dressing sword. Just you have to show me. Otherwise, I'm gonna ding ding your message. Dom, can you show me? Dom, what do you mean by soaring? Because I want to see it. All right. You can cover all of yours if you want to. But I think looks so different. And I am going to wipe up on the edges first before you are going to give.